Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ha ka Jingeh lang Paidbah jong ka CM Connect kabala penlong ha madan football thangsning ha ka lai pautrik urisau araja pusan ukon rat ke sama Myntri Rangbah ka sarkar Jylla ulayo ban play Paidbah ya ka sitting gallery kate kamadan batru ban yo sngo ru markmat na ki Paidbah halor ki Jingeh ba ki tingkho ha ka lenga than Mawkynrew Constituency ha ka negasi nalor Myntri Rangbah layodan langru da uba bante dor lingdo UMLA ka Mawkynrew Sampat Kumar YS Commissioner and Secretary ka sarkar Jylla ki officer but engineer nagashnatre kamba pher ki Rangbah snong ki nongtre aganwadi nalor ki we de habakren mo ba bante dor ulapan pau ya ka jingdan kam ban penhe ya ki surok kabala dan lupa bat ban penpoi ru shaki snong ki bampat poi surok ban bo high secondary school but college ban penpoi bam shaki snong bat ki jaka ajing sumar bat ki we de ki jingdawa ula ajing ro yo Myntri Rangbah ubala plelat iki Paidbah ban Pynsngew ya ka Jingeh jongki lingbah ka CM Connect.
That is okay. Again, it's a scheme-based. So yeah, I was just telling some people in the morning that we have to change our mindset. It cannot be always scheme-based, development. It has to be, stakeholder-based development, which means that we have to put the farmer in front of us, and then look at what has to be done to improve, and not look at the scheme and say, okay, we're not going to implement this. So you can also mention that in the budget speech that based on this particular CM Connect program, that we increase the budget for seats. So we will increase the budget for seats. And they had complained about the broomstick and that the price of broomstick was very low and that they were really incurring a lot of loss. And it was after the initiation of your MLA and the proposal that was put by him and the people who came with him that the establishment of the program called CM Assured took place. So I would like to thank your MLA and I think the farmers should thank that because of his initiative, CM Assured program happened, and I don't know the exact details, but I'm sure many broomstick farmers have benefited in the constituency and adjoining areas because of CM Assured. I only know that about close to 50 crores plus has been distributed to thousands of farmers across the state. I don't have the numbers for.
And connectivity route Nonglo to Amrata, which this one I've already discussed with Rangbah, also Honorable Minister, how to connect this road. We need a bridge to connect from Nonglo area to Amrata. This will boost the tourism sector and especially the farmers who are in the area. So the tourism development viewpoint and destination. With your guidance, develop tourist spots at Nauran, Sentung, Minstang, Kli Asam, Mausna, Umkoi, Jongsha, Pashang, Umsawar, Saintnai, and Mawkynrew, Nongdrong and Lightroom. It is a very popular destination for the tourists. And I know, sir, you know very well these two places, Nongdrong and Lightroom. Promoting tourism will boost the local economy and create sustainable livelihood for the people in that area. Improve accessibility and visitor amenities will benefit both residents and tourists. Good for the players. So if this can be considered, I'm 100% sure, sir, that so many footballers, so many youth, they will shine from here and the state as well. So this is the last point which we need is a greater water supply scheme. Water supply shortage, it's all about the villages in my constituency, especially in PHC Jata. When I went last time, there is no water proper supply in PHC Jylla. So which I already discussed with doctor and staff of that PhD, and they requested me, and I already discussed with you sir regarding this also. The water supply is very important, I think, not only in PHC but also in other village, which I will mention here. Example as a Nongjrong village. Nongjrong is a beautiful villages. It's a beautiful village which so many people across the state, across the country, they want to go to Nongjrong. Early morning, by 1:30, 2 o'clock, people starting from Shillong to go to Nongjrong to see the cloud in the air. I think many of them, I think from here also we have visited Nongjrong. So sir, what happened in Nongjrong sir, the JGM scheme is already implemented, but it's not functional. So in that village now, there is no water supply. And the source also is completely damaged. So I believe that if we can get a good water supply, maybe a pump it. Kay kabangan nga puli nang ni mentan banglathok na konkret. Kalong kabangan ay kandu man kasni kerjaan yang tiba cekri Paidbah ke Constituency. Tiga ni kali kecaka ke bapilu pilahan Pynsngew. Henry nak kuat kamu kita kau. Bangsa soban ai kulai tempat. Yang siang dalam beromong. Hagi por mensuap biju asma utak siang connect. Ha? Usia mengewan dah kejengkit klik pun mengelang state page. Baguan ni bani penduk di Paidbah. Lada day bamdam kejengkit klik ngam sarai kemuan ni mentasi. Wadi por paling kuat makanan rumah wan melai. Nama klik ngilong kibri berkeluar dan pediang berpingi angnut berpinduan berpingi. Nama kali kepadon kam dia bingung kinong song senang. Hang ni bun kilong kumi. Bubun samla. Bapin sungtu bapin tip ia di skim kibadan maka government. Nama apa ngincu kena ke sorkat mangingi sorkat. Dan mangingi hapan keren. Mangingi hapan pan, mangingi hapan Pynsngew. Ya kabalan sorkat kan lek ya kabalan dia. Kung mga ngajo, ya kabalan ang hawa ina na. Henry kani kadi gisni kerpang kabang sokmen na tata nilai ini kani kasiam kane kelak apa pasti kejami. Syagi dong si tang ko per ko kejala kejami. Henry ini badan bok bo siam riang menwan mata sendiri. Ngadu benda ni ketik kemensian juga ni lalang nervous ni undang boleh. Ang yawan mentang asni pun baik. Mentang ada pen ada pun ski barok dari. Dan kira dong lihat mentapin. Asubi kan usia menuan mo. Dan yumiran berai semua naik play pi barok. Yubi. Naik play. Ya